So details, okay? So this home was awesome.
No, he answered it.
Oh, no.
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Ask it just in case.
No, you answered it.
Okay.
You were doing that in Photoshop, that's what I was asking.
Yeah, Photoshop, yep. And then elements, I have no idea. You just need those 3 things.
Yeah, it does have that.
Okay.
I think it does that. That's why I use this elements, so. Okay. I'm hoping.
And how much time do y'all typically spend on editing photos? 0. 2 hours? Okay. Yeah, no,
A few minutes, yeah.
A few minutes.
It ends up more than I want.
You're right. Okay, so this was a cool home. Everything was hardwood. Everything that you see here in wood is hardwood. I was like, wow, like it's just solid. Everything was just so heavy. And come to find out, it was a really old home. And so I took the wide shots and showed the entrance and everything, but I also took what we call detailed shots. And these, I don't know how old these doorknobs were, but I accentuated some of the characteristics of the home and showcased like the tiles of the fireplace. That is a tiled fireplace. Now this just adds some extra elements for the person to go through and just really fall in love with the home, because this right here was just part of this living room area. It was that right there. These were solid bookcases that were built in. It was just all around just an amazing home. They had downstairs in the dining room, they had a brick wall, so accentuate the brick wall, that it has some character to it, you know.
Lens?
50, nifty 50, yep. And then the aperture on that, are you familiar with aperture? 2.8 is what I do. So this goes down to 1.8, but I like 2.8 because it gives you some depth. 1.8 would probably just be like a little sliver. And then for that, so 1.8 aperture, shutter speed, I try to keep it between 125th or 160th to avoid shake. And then the ISO is on auto. And then Lightroom can go in there and just remove a lot of the noise, okay? This was a luxury bathroom. Again, 3 walls. Now, we could showcase just this by itself and showcase how great the space is because you're selling the space, but why not some of the hardware that's included in there? What makes this bathroom unique and what hardware is installed in there? It just all around makes it look a lot more attractive on the MLS, okay? Again, nifty 50. Same thing here. It's staged. These are marketing assets for the agent to use. So don't only just think about just the home in mind, but also think about what other marketing assets could you create in the future for yourself.